Making easy, delicious, and quick wine sauces. You know, when you have all those meats, you grill, you're roasting, you need some sauce. Well, I'll show you 2 easy wine sauces. The first one, lots of shallots, onions, some sage, a little bit of olive oil to begin with, white wine, and you let it slowly simmer, simmer, simmer until the wine kind of gets half its size. At this point, you're ready to finish it off. White wine, onions. I think I like a little bit of zest, so a little bit of mustard, a little bit of cream just to pull it all together. So whisk it in. Let the cream and mustard cook in. When you see those nice little bubbles, you're perfect. And I like to strain it. Push it through the sieve. Get all the juice out. Okay. And here is your sauce. Nice and dense. And you just pour it over your grilled chicken, roasted chicken. This is great even over fish. Some rosemary, maybe a little bit of parsley, just like that. And your dish is finished. For lamb chops, let's do some red wine sauce. In this one, there's onions. There is dried porcini mushrooms, some thyme, simmer it again for about 20 minutes, half an hour, until the wine really gets reduced to about half of its original volume. And to that, you just kind of whisk in some butter. The butter you whisk in at the very end. So this is simple, it's mushrooms and butter, and that's always a good flavor. But you can add dry cherries, would give you a great flavor, a little bit of olive oil. You can add mustard here as well, and so on. So you see that the sauce gets nice and dense. Press all the sauce out of the mushrooms. And we are ready to plate. When you decorate your plate, always use the same herbs kind of that you use to flavor it. And the final touch, a drizzle of olive oil, but just a few drops. There you have it, 2 quick wine sauces. One with red wine and one with white wine.